If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alpha Metallurgical Resources with the ticker symbol AMR. This was a viewer's request, and thank you for your donation. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only and does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Here we have another stock that's been going up since 2020. So a lot of these non-hype stock, such as anything that's related to commodities, energy, utilities, have been in a nice bull trend. So a lot of people rather dollar cost average in a losing stock instead of riding a nice trend like this one right here. So on the daily chart, I can see that prices have been going up since the beginning of this year. It doesn't look like it's stopping anytime soon. I do see higher prices. You can see that we just did bounce from the strong support side, which is the channel, the support side of the channel. Once we did that in the past, as you can see here, late April, it led to prices touching the top side of the channel, which we could repeat. We don't exactly have to repeat the same type of move. We could come up a little short, but as right now, it looks like we're going to probably be making a new all-time high for the stock, because the trend momentum will probably continue to push up prices higher, probably to this 180 level, probably even into the 190 level. So I do see higher price targets for the stock. Now, do I also see a measured move target? Yes, I do. These are much more reliable for finding targets, and this one is right at the, let me see, right at the $200 level, or the 199 level to be exact. So right around this high 190s is where I see prices trying to reach, because we are going somewhere. You can see that prices continue to push up higher and higher. You can see the right side of my chart. The price bars are continuing to print on the chart. They continue to move upwards, and they're going somewhere on this chart, and I think they're gonna target this 197 level. So that's my target for the stock. We don't have to reach there, but there's a much higher probability that we should get there than not. So that's what we got to stick with. No one is a fortune teller in this game, but you could definitely be on the right side of the market more times than not, and it's all about the probability. So probabilities say we will probably continue to stay in this channel, come close to this measured move, if not exceed it, and then from there we should be probably expecting a correction or a sell-off. So that's what I see on the daily chart, and let's go and wrap this up on the weekly chart. Here we have the weekly chart for AMR, and it doesn't really look that good because this is a very strong or aggressive up move. It's kind of like a parabolic up move. You don't normally see stocks trading at the low $3 or $4 range and then enter the 160s, 170 range, just a few years later. Especially for some energy company, they must have found a really good mine with full of a bunch of minerals or whatever they're looking for. Coal is definitely going to be useful in the next coming decades, until people transition into something else. But there was this breakout at the $78 level, so I think once this parabolic move ends, there could be a big crash back down to the $78 level to probably retest this breakout. But as right now, the momentum is on the bull side, and we're gonna see higher price targets. Usually these parabolic moves can last longer than most people think, so it's not wise to pick a top, because most likely we're going to be continuing to make higher highs and higher lows and new all-time highs. So definitely don't fight the trend. The trend is your friend until it ends. Doesn't look like it's ending anytime soon. Looking for that $200 level, and then from there we could see a bigger pullback that we have not seen before, but that might also not mark the top, and then we could continue to see maybe another run up. But as right now, I don't see that far in the chart it doesn't look like we could do that. It's just a probability, it's just a prediction, excuse me. But most likely what I see in the chart, given the data that's presenting itself, is probably going to continue higher and reach the $200 price target that I have for it. Okay, so that's all I have for AMR. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.